Hey guys, Chef Anthony here, going over the Gaggenau piece, really focusing on the cast roaster pan. So we'll probably do some pan-sear some flank steak on here, use the dedicated setting, kind of show you all about it. So let's open the oven here. Pop it open, and you see we have it assembled. We removed the racks already. We have the bottom insert popped in here, so that's the plug-in burner. Then we have the initial glide rack in, and then we put the other insert piece in here for the cast roaster. Now the cast roaster comes in two pieces. We're using the top here because we're going to sear some flank steak. If you were doing a whole roast or a bigger item, you would use this as a lid and the deeper bottom as the base, okay? That would really go in just in your traditional roast setting. So look, we'll put this in, gag it out to the side, right here. We'll let it sit right in, okay? And now that's really how, I like to set this up nice and cool. See how it'll glide? Nice and heavy and easy. This is a solid, okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna close this and we're gonna preheat it, okay? So we're gonna run through the settings right now. Roaster operation. So look, here it'll show you the whole roaster. So there's that roaster operation. Then we're really gonna take it right to 375 and we're gonna hit the preheat button on that, okay? So we're gonna bring that up, and by the time we bring that up, that cast is heated so we can sear our flank steak. That's what you'll see next. Okay everyone, we're up to temp. Means our roaster's up to temp too. We're gonna open this oven door, get it in there. Look at this though, it looks great. I can feel the nice heat on here. Let's use that glide rack. Let's pull it out a little bit, get a better view of what's going on. So we got a nice marinated flank steak. We're just gonna put it right on here. Get that nice sear. Look at that, already steaming up, already gonna be great. About 3 to 5 minutes on each side. All right, let's open it up, check out our progress here. Oh, look at that, I hear the sizzle already. It's exactly what we wanna see. Look at that, see how it's starting to pull away? It's really helping right now, look at that. Get a nice flip. We're really using that burner under here, really helping out that roast, really pulling it. So, look at that, very good steam. Starting that caramelization, exactly what we need. All right, everyone, just got it out of the roasting pan just to check it out, but look at this great caramelization and color on this flank. And we really like to see this caramelization from edge to edge, nice and even, ready to go. We let it rest a little bit. We're just gonna slice this flank down on the angle just to see it really nice. Look at that, perfect. The juices are inside, it looks great, you know. We'll just keep going like this, and honestly, that's very nice, and we want to see that right there. Look, that's a great part. We'll just finish it with a little bit of the sauce. Call it a day, and this is a win for everyone here. Thank you.